Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Removal. On the bottom of the notebook, slide the battery lock latch to the unlocked position identified by an unlock icon. Slide the battery release latch identified with a battery icon into the release position to partially eject the battery. Lift the front edge of the battery and remove the battery from the battery bay. Replacement. Tow the rear edge of the battery into the battery bay and lower the battery until it is properly seated and the battery release latch clicks. Slide the battery lock latch into the locked position identified by a lock icon.